Today I'm going to show you a human hair wig from Uniwigs. Let's get started. Alright, today look at this beautiful human hair wig. This is a budget-friendly human hair wig. I love that we have those options now. You know, human hair wigs can run into the thousands, as we know. This one is a more budget-friendly. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Like I said, this is from Uniwigs. They sent this to me for review, and the name of this wig is Willow, and the color is milk chocolate. All right, first of all, this comes boxed so beautifully. I love their boxing. I thought it was so nice. It has the little magnetic piece here. It just comes lovely the way it's boxed. It is, when you get it, it is in this little satin pouch, which is wonderful. They also give you some goodies. They had a comb that comes with it, a wig cap, and then I like this. They have this care card, and it shows you different tutorials, different care guides, all with these QR codes, so that is really handy to have. Now, Willow is 10 inches long. I want to show you this all the way around, this bob. This hair is so soft, this Remy human hair, just a beautiful, now this is 110% low density. I would say this is between a low and a medium density on this one. Look how pretty this is, y'all, just absolutely gorgeous. Now what I have done, when I got this, it had a little bit of box hair in the back, so I washed it. The first thing I did was wash it. It dried with a slight wave, and then I used my flat iron, and I just smoothed through it. It was so easy to style. I also think this would be beautiful with some barrel curls in it, and I probably will do that. I will keep you updated on this wig and how it works and what all I do to it, but I just wanted to straighten it because that's how they showed it, just as a bob like this, and I thought, but next time I'm gonna add some curl to this. All right, I want to show you the inside of this cap because it is gorgeous. Of course, I've already trimmed the lace. It has this really large lace top here, so you can part this anywhere within this lace top, which is beautiful. Notice that they have some silicone pieces here. Again, really handy, makes it secure. You know, it gets a good grip there. It also has combs, which you can take those off if you want to, as well as the clips on the ear tabs. You can remove those, and I probably will remove those. There is a little wefting in the back here, and then it has this band that you can adjust. It also has the hook closures here. Really nicely done. This is called their Pure Fit Grip Cap. Just a beautiful cap design on this one. All right, so the cap size on this one is 21 to 21 and a half. Now I have a 21 and a quarter inch head circumference. This fit perfectly. I mean, like a dream. It fits snug to my head. There's no extra room in the back. It just really molded right to my head. I'll show you this lace front. Like I said, I've cut the lace on it already. Now you may see the knotting a little bit here. I'm very fair skinned and this is a darker color, but you could put a little makeup on that if you want and hide those knots if that bothers you. It doesn't bother me at all. I think it's beautiful. I think this feels, I love this feel of just this beautiful human hair. So easy. Like I said, I can't wait to see this with some curl. Now this color, milk chocolate, I'm going to insert some outdoor lighting in two different types of outdoor lighting. And keep in mind, I am just filming this with one ring light and this bank of windows and some overhead lights. I don't have any studio lights going on, but still it is a lot different when you see it outside. Make sure whoever you watch, whatever wig reviewer you prefer, that they're showing you the color in indoor and outdoor lighting. It makes a lot of difference. This is milk chocolate. It's just a beautiful brown. As you see, I want to get up here so you can see closely. They've done a gorgeous job on this. It's not rooted, of course. Milk chocolate. I think they named that perfectly. The beauty of this is you could style this in so many ways, y'all. First of all, it works well behind your ears. I know that's important to a lot of us, me included. I like to be able to put things behind my ears. This is easy to do that. It's low enough density that that's not going to be a problem at all. Wear this off your face if you want. pull it up and off would be so pretty. It has enough length that you can do that. Y'all, this is a very versatile style. I think this is good for people who are new to wigs that want to experience human hair. If you are new to human hair wigs, this would be a great place to start. You don't have to break the bank for it. You can get used to human hair wigs. You can learn how to care for them correctly, and then, you know, you may move on to ones that are more expensive. But if you're new to human hair, I think this would be just a perfect place to start. Now, if you will go to the drop down box below this video, you will see ordering information for this wig. I also have a code Eileen15, but you be sure to use that and save yourself 15% on this gorgeous wig, but I will have it linked in the drop down box below. Okay guys, this is a look at Uniwigs Willow. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know, have you tried either this wig or any of the wigs from Uniwigs? What's been your experience? Do you like them? Tell me about them. Do you like human hair? Do you want to see more reviews like this? Just leave me some messages and comments and we will discuss this beautiful wig. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.